Sup fam, Vince Gonzales here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alam nyo guys, sobrang dami ko pang lip products na hindi natatry dito sa channel ko. Napakaraming brands na nagpapadala ng mga lip products and gustong gusto ko talaga lahat gawa ng review para ma-share ko sa inyo yung information kung nag-work ba or hindi yung mga products nila. That is why I decided to make this a series. And tatawagin natin tong XO Swatches the series. If you guys watch my vlogs and the product reviews that I do sa mga lip tint or mga lipstick, I am so sure na sobrang familiar na kayo sa mga terminologies and sa mga pinapag-usapan natin dito. Of course, nandiyan yung formula, yung shades and thoughts, yung packaging and component, and yung product availability. Lahat ng yun ay papag-usapan natin sa every episode ng XO Swatches sa bawat lip product na itatry natin. So today, we're gonna start with a brand na sandamakmak na products yung pinadala sa akin and medyo matagal-tagal na yung last product review ko dito sa brand na to. That is none other than Moonlyt by Marina. Today, we're gonna try the Moonlyt by Marina Super Powder Matte. So if you guys wanted to know more about these babies, what are you waiting for? Let's go! The Moonlyt by Marina Super Powder Mattes comes in 3 different shades and we're gonna start with the swatches. And those are all the swatches ng Moonlyt by Marina Super Powder Matte. We're gonna start the product review with a little disclaimer. And tong disclaimer na to lagi kong sinasabi sa mga product reviews ko sa mga lip tint, lip cream, mga lip dip, mga mousse cream, as long as ang lip product mo is not 100% opaque. You guys have to take note na iba-iba yung undertone ng lips ng bawat tao. So the lip products might appear darker on my lips and could be lighter on yours. And dahil nga hindi sila 100% opaque, magpipeek through pa rin yung natural undertone ng lip mo. So before even buying the product, make sure that you watch the portion wherein I explain the different shades shown on a hand swatch. First up, we're gonna talk about the packaging and the component of the product. When I got these products, nakalagay siya sa isang baby pink Ziploc bag. Nakalagay lang dito Moonlyt by Marina Nude Trio Set and each and every lip product is airtight sealed. Talking about the component of the product, meron siyang peach cap. It's on a glass roller type bottle. And meron siyang wraparound sticker. Nakalagay lang yung logo ng Moonlyt by Marina. Nakalagay yung shade name and some history about the shade name. It says here Super Powder Matte. This contains 10 ml worth of products. If you guys don't know yet, Moonlyt by Marina is a cosmetics brand and each and every product that they have contains actually a history of something. Pwede siyang Philippine mythology, world history. So dito sa Super Powder Matte, yung shades na to are based from gods and goddesses and nakalagay dito yung history nila. But guys, I think papalitan na ng Moonlyt by Marina itong component ng product. If-flash ko na lang sa screen yung bagong picture ng component ng product na to para makita nyo rin. Talking about the applicator, I'm not really a huge fan of roller type applicators, lalo na sa mga lip products. Una kasi kapag roller type yung applicator, sometimes it's very uneven. Like there are times na medyo hindi lumalabas yung product, there are times na sobra naman yung labas ng products. So personally, I prefer a doe foot type applicator para mas maging precise yung application. And for me, mas madaling i-apply yung product pag ganun yung applicator niya. For those local brands, a piece of advice lang, if yung target market nyo are not just makeup enthusiasts or mga mahilig lang mag-collect ng makeup, if you're also aiming to have customers who are makeup artists, it's always better to have a lip product with a doe foot type applicator dahil mas sanitary yun. Kasi if yung mga makeup artists na yun is magkakaroon sila ng mga clients na hindi masyadong mahilig sa full-on lipstick and preferred nila na mag-lipstick lang o kaya lip cream. Kapag roller type, hindi mo siya matatransfer sa isa pang palette unless tanggalin mo talaga yung mismong applicator itself. And ang gagawin mo is ibubuhos mo siya sa pan tapos magdidip ka ng brush doon tsaka mo i-apply sa client. Compared to having a doe foot type applicator, kukunin mo na lang yung product, ilalagay mo sa palette, then kukuha ka ng brush, then yun yung gagamitin mo doon sa client mo. The only thing that I'm looking for dito sa component ng product is the list of ingredients and yung expiration date ng product. Normally, sa mga lip products na ganito, yung mga lip tint o kaya yung mga lip cream, it's good for 12 months months from the open date. Now, Clo fam, we're gonna talk about the formula, the shades, and the swatches. Dahil nga super powder matte siya, it's not like your typical matte lip cream. When you apply it on the lips, mararamdaman mo yung pagka-powdery matte niya. Kasi yung dating niya is parang yung mga texture ng clay sa lips ko. Diba yung mga clay, mas pag finil mo, medyo grainy yung feeling? This one is a bit similar, pero mararamdaman mo lang yung grainy feel when you apply it on the lips. Pero as I'm wearing it right now, hindi ko na maramdaman yun. If we're gonna talk about the opacity of the product, it actually depends on how you build it on your lips. Kanina nung nagsaswatch ako, nakita ko ay nagustuhan ko yung appearance niya on a gradient lip compared to having it on a full lip. So, mas preferred ko talaga yun. So, talking about the opacity on a gradient lip, nasa 40 to 50% lang. Pero if you're planning to use this on a full lip, it's definitely buildable to 60 to 75%. Again, this is very lightweight. It feels like I'm not wearing any lip product as of the moment. And what I like about it is hindi siya nakakatuyo ng labi kahit na super powdery matte siya. Hindi rin niya na-emphasize yung crevices ng lips ko. But if we're gonna talk about the longevity ng product ito, when I tried removing it, sobrang dali lang. So that means that when you apply this, it could last up to 3 to 4 hours and you might need to reapply after. Now, GloFam, gumawa ko ng hand swatches for you guys para makita nyo yung real shades ng mga lip products na to. The first shade that we're gonna talk about is the Moonlyt by Marina Super Powder Matte and the shade Hecate. This is how Hecate looks like. As you guys can see, isa siyang muted orange shade. It's on a lighter tone of orange, and yung nakikita kong makakapagsuot ng mga gantong shades is people with lighter complexion. Or if you guys have darker lips like mine, medyo manu-neutralize yung pagka-light niya kasi magpe-peek through yung regular undertone ng lip mo. And the shade would appear a bit darker on your lips. And magiging maganda naman siya as long as you're wearing it as a gradient lip. I'm not really a fan of wearing it as a full-on lip. Siguro mas bet ko lang talaga siya na naka-gradient. The next shade that we're gonna talk about is the Moonlyt by Marina Super Powder Matte and the shade Demeter. This is how Demeter looks like on the hand swatch. As you guys can see, it's a straight up brick red shade. And sobrang gustong-gusto ko tong shade na to. It's actually one of the shades that I'm wearing on my lips right now para sa base. Again, I like it on a gradient lip and sobrang ganda nito. Lakas maka-fresh. And if yung color ng lips mo is medyo maputla, regardless if you're maputi or moreno or morena, kapag sinuot mo tong shade na to, sigurado ako mabibring back niya yung parang glow, parang malilift niya yung color ng face mo just by wearing this shade. The last shade that we're gonna talk about is the Moonlyt by Marina Super Powder Matte in the shade Persephone. This is how Persephone looks like on the hand swatch. This one is a warm terracotta brown with a slightly red undertone in it. And this is also one of the shades that I'm wearing on my lips right now sa gitna. Ang nangyayari kasi is naghalo na yung lip product sa lips ko nung nag-lip bite ako. So ito na yung kinalabasan na shade. Same as this shade, sobrang makakapag-bring back din to ng freshness dun sa face mo. Definitely you can use both for gradient lips, pero if you're into like yung mga darker tones, then you can go for this shade. Etong dalawang shades na to, I can see myself wearing this on a daily basis. Walang problema talaga. So out of the 3 shades, these 2 shades are highly recommended for you guys. Now we're gonna talk about the pricing and the product availability. The Moonlyt by Marina Nude Trio set is available through their Shopee account. You guys can type in Moonlyt by Marina, no spaces, or kung ayaw nyo mahirapan, ilalagay ko na lang yung link on the description box down below. Chinecheck ko na pa rin yung Shopee account nila, and I think yung bago nilang binibenta is yung bagong packaging niya, so that's good. However, nung chinecheck yung hand swatches dito sa bagong packaging, I think medyo nagbago yung last shade natin, yung Persephone, kasi on the hand swatch dito, medyo brighter siya compared to Demeter. Parang nagdagdag sila siguro ng red undertone dito. So yeah, I suggest na check out nyo yung Shopee account nila para makita nyo rin yung bagong packaging nila. I think Dofu type applicator na to, and I'm so happy. The Moonlyt by Marina Nude Trio set retails for 280 pesos. Yes po, 280 pesos, meron ka ng 3 lip products. And now I think that's everything about the Moonlyt by Marina Nude Trio set. What do you guys think? Ano yung pinaka-nagustuhan yung shade sa 3 sinwatch natin kanina? Let me know your thoughts, sound off below. I really hope na subaybayan nyo itong XO Swatches series natin dahil marami pa tayong mga lip products sa itatry from different brands. Also, make sure that you guys follow Moonlyt by Marina on their social media accounts, Moonlyt by Marina on Facebook, at Moonlyt by Marina Official on Instagram. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, Vince Gonzales here, and I'll see you on the next one.